In this video, I will show you how to actually fix CapCut Pro effects not showing. So in order to fix this, what you can do is you can try clicking on that particular part that you want to add an effect to. Now in here, we have some options like this basic, background, and the likes. So as you can see right here onto our CapCut Online, we only have this particular effects and some other tools. Now if you want to use the Pro effects, what you can do is you can head over to CapCut.com. So let's head over to there. Just go to CapCut.com. And then what you can do is you can just go and then download the actual application for PC, or you can also enable or install it into your actual phone. So just download the CapCut into your own device because it's not available online.